Good morning, grade 6. Our lesson today is spelling Unit 6, Week 1. Suffixes IBLE and ABLE. Spelling book page 152 to 155. Still we are talking about or learning about something called word formation. In this part we are learning how to form, how to create new words, adding suffixes. In the previous lessons, we were talking about different kinds of suffixes, of course. In this lesson today, we are just focusing on two kinds of suffixes, IBLE and ABLE. First of all, let's remember with each other what is a suffix. A suffix is a word part. It's a part of a word fragment or group of letters that comes at the end of a base word, and it changes the word's part of a speech and a meaning as well. So this is the effect that the suffix has on a word. It changes, number one, the meaning, and number two, the part of a speech. And today we're studying only two suffixes, IBLE and ABLE. And if these two suffixes are added to the end of a base word, they give the meaning. So for example, if I see a word with either or any of these suffixes, so be sure that it gives the meaning of capable or worthy of doing something or tending to be something. So this is the meaning that they give, as we are gonna see in the following or in the coming examples. Also, they change the two suffixes, change the base word from a verb or a noun to an adjective. So the main part of a speech change that happens is changing from a verb or a noun into an adjective. Let's make it more clearer using the following examples. The first example is remarkable. Remarkable. If you notice, I highlighted the remark with one line and the suffix ABLE with two lines, because this is the base word, the remark, and this is the suffix here. So the suffix ABLE or able changes the base word remark from a verb or a noun to an adjective. As you see, remark, a verb means notice, or a noun means a sign. And when adding the suffix ABLE, changes from a verb or a noun into an adjective, which means worthy of being noticed or spoken of. Just like when I say the boss talked about a remarkable plan in our meeting today, or I have met a remarkable superstar in the street today. The second word is reversible. Reversible. And if you notice, the way we pronounce the suffix or both suffixes at the end, it had the same way, the same pronunciation. Remarkable, reversible. So move to the word reversible. Here we have reverse. This is the base word. In IBLE, this is the suffix. So when the suffix IBLE is added to the end of the word reverse, it has more than one effect. Number one, change the base word reverse from a verb to an adjective. And the number two, change from or change the meaning. Number three, we have some spelling change. Here reverse ends with E. And when adding the suffix IBLE, I drop E, then add IBLE. This is the spelling change here. So reverse as a verb means to change back or to turn inside out. When we add the suffix IBLE, the meaning it changes to be capable of being turned inside out or changed back. So when I say, for example, this book is reversible, that you can or it can be changed back, okay? Or also here, this new project is reversible, we can change it. Another word which is erasable. Erasable. So the suffix ABLE changes the base word erase from a verb to an adjective. Also, we have some spelling change. In the word erase, this is the base word. as a verb means to delete or omit. Omit here, to delete. So the E is dropped, then we add able, spelling change. Erasable means capable or able to be deleted. Okay, so when I say this remark he added is erasable, or he wrote on the board with an erasable remarker. So erasable means capable of being deleted or omitted. So this is here the part of our lesson today, suffix able. In this part, here we have the list of the new vocabulary with their meanings, and of course I wrote in red the suffix that is added to the end of the word with their meanings. You will find here this list on MyU with their meanings, and you have to study them very well because this is the most important part in our lesson, which is the meanings of the new spelling vocabulary. Thank you very much. This is our lesson today, spelling. See ya.